Hello, my name is Silmi Kafa. Here I bring a very touching story with the title I Love You from 38,000 Feet. Imagine you are on a long flight from Indonesia to Los Angeles, a journey that takes many hours above the clouds. While searching for your seat in the busy cabin, a stranger suddenly helps you, calm, kind, and with a smile that feels oddly comforting. His name is Arga, quiet, mysterious, and warm. Meanwhile, Aleta, a cheerful student, is actually escaping a painful relationship in Indonesia. She wants a fresh start, but she is afraid of facing the long flight alone. Their seats end up right next to each other on the plane. Up in the sky at 38,000 feet, a simple conversation slowly turns into a strange but beautiful connection. When fate plays its part, the plane suddenly shakes hard, strong turbulence hits, people begin to panic. Aleta, who already hates flying, freezes in fear. Arga reaches for her hand, holding it gently but firmly. He said, "It's okay, I'm here." Such a simple sentence, yet it becomes her source of courage. Among clouds and roaring engines, they talk about dream, life, family, and hidden pain. In that moment, a letter realizes sometimes strangers can feel closer than anyone else. Upon arrival in Los Angeles, when they land, reality hits. They have to separate, no phone numbers, no contacts, nothing, except a strong memory of brief encounter that already feels meaningful. Aleta starts her new life in Los Angeles, but every corner, every moment that reminds her of that flight brings Arga back into her mind. Her complicated relationship with her boyfriend in Indonesia becomes even more unstable. Aleta eventually understands that what she felt for Arga wasn't just a moment in the sky, and one day fate answers her longing. She meets Arga again, not a plane, not at an airport, but in a moment that makes her believe their meeting in the clouds was never a coincidence. A love that falls from the sky. What began as her hand to calm her fear becomes a hand she never wants to let go of. Their love isn't easy. There's distance, confusion, and tough choices, but Arga and Aleta learn an important truth. Sometimes, the person who enters your life for just a moment becomes the reason you want to love life again. But it wasn't over yet. Just as their love was starting to grow stronger, fate took Arga too soon. Arga died in an accident. It all happened suddenly. Aleta didn't even have time to express all the feelings she'd been harboring. Aleta could only stand, staring at the sky, where she first fell in love with Arga at an altitude of 38,000 feet. That love came like a miracle from the sky and left like the wind without saying goodbye. Aleta cried, but she knew even though Arga was gone, their love would never fall to the ground. Lessons we can take away: a brief encounter can mean a lot. Don't waste someone who is sincere. Love doesn't always end in happiness, but it always leaves a lesson. Life is short. Express your feelings while you can. So that is a story about I Love You from 38,000 feet. Thank you and goodbye.